Hello everyone, myself Rajnish Shingankar. Today I'll tell you about how to use right way to dopamine. Today we are talking about dopamine, a word you hear a lot on social media. Some people say dopamine is bad, some people say it's good. But truth is dopamine is a tool. If you use it in the right way, it can change your life. Let me explain in a very simple way. What is dopamine? Dopamine is a chemical in your brain. I want to do this. I want to achieve something. I want to do this. I like to something achieve in my life. When dopamine is used is correctly way, you can grow. When it's used wrong way, you are become lazy, addicted, tired and sad and you feel low and you are getting anxiety in your life and you feel depressed. The wrong way use dopamine. Most people use dopamine the wrong way, like scrolling social media for hours and hours and hours, eating junk food all the time, gap gap gap, watching too much social media, okay, playing games non-stops, and watching movies and Netflix web series like, okay, this gives fast dopamine, but you feel good for movement, but after that you feel bored and low and unmotivated. Your brain get used to easy to pleasure and say, why work when hard when I get to free pleasure? The right way used dopamine. Dopamine works best when it comes after effort. Example, finishing study, then feel proud. Okay? Exercise, then you feel energized. Complete a task, then feel reward yourself. This is called earned dopamine. When you work hard, then reward later. Your brain learns. Hard work is equal to good feelings. You feel proud yourself. You are getting more disciplined, more confident, more successful in your life. Okay? Simple rule how to use dopamine correctly. Like in three ways. First of all, first is delay the pleasure. Do the right things firstly, enjoy later. Reduce easy dopamine. Reduce easy dopamine. Less scrolling, less junk, less distraction. Be proud on be proud on yourself. Okay, focus on yourself and celebrate effort. Third point is celebrate effort, not result. Be proud on your tried, even if it's not perfect. Okay, do you understand? Dopamine is not your enemy. It's music. It's just a chemical in your brain presenting. You have to use it in right, in proper way. Misusing it misusing in it. Use dopamine as reward for effort, and your brain will work with you, not against you. Okay, if you help this video, please like this video, share the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.